estão kommen.
Okay, we're back. Let's bring it backwards. That'll work. I surprised myself.
Breaks down your oil. So you want the brake clean drier. And then put.
Hey guys, it's Les with Northern Viking Adventures again. I got a special guest today, the king himself, David McKinney. Today we're going to do, yep, oh man, did you see the karate? Oh, the karate moves. Today we're gonna do a little bit of maintenance. Bike's been sitting all winter. Oh yeah, we gotta move that dumb Honda out of the way. Just kidding, Alyssa, it's not dumb. That'll work. We're gonna do a little bit of maintenance. We're gonna clean the chain up and everything, get it ready to ride for the season. That's a 2022 or 2023?
I'm on the handlebars over here.
Do you remember? I think it's 2023.
I think it's a 2023.
Yeah, 2023 Kawasaki KLR 650. Bulletproof bike. Goes anywhere you point it. What'd you do that for?
I don't know. Here's the tripod. Right now.
Equipment problems.
Equipment.
Perfect. We should put it up on a stand. Okay, we're back. Let's bring it backwards. That'll work. Can you see? Got enough light? We're just gonna use a floor jack. We just want to get the rear tire off the ground enough that we can spin it.
That scared the shit out of me.
Can you spin the back tire?
You're pushing on me?
Yeah, I mean,
Why? No.
a little higher then.
Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's just me. It's just me. It's just me. I can swing it.
There. Is it gonna stay?
No. No.
I'll hold it. Let me come on that side.
Okay. You can come on any side you want to, brother.
Not the back side though. All right, I got it.
Let go.
Okay, there we go.
No earthquakes. This is fun.
See how dirty the chain is? We got, David bought a little kit, chain cleaning kit. He's gonna use that.
Did you open it up?
Yes.
Yeah. So we
Pretty
got
cool.
cleaner right here. And that'll help get all the rust and dirt off of it. And then we'll finish it up with the oil to keep it lubricated, to keep it from rusting in the future.
How do you pronounce that? Y-Maxis is?
And this is a brush that comes in it. Got 2 different brushes.
Nice. That's a good kit.
And
Oh,
some
look at
skinnier
that.
brushes.
That's pretty
And
cool.
chain cleaner.
Right on. And some spray.
And some spray.
Or a sprayer.
Spray bottle.
Yeah. Cool. You want a little roller?
Yeah, it's probably sitting on it right there.
It is. It's not a very good roller, but
It rolls.
it rolls. move stuff out of the way so we can get this done proper.
Old and fat.
David, your pumper's not pumping.
I see that. That's BS. Oh, maybe.
Faster. There it goes.
Oh, shit.
She's tight. That was a brand new chain last year, wasn't it?
Yeah. I should have cleaned this up before we stored it, I think.
Oiled it anyway.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Usually I just hold it and spin it.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Get deep in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some of this rust off there. Probably should I?
It's actually that's working pretty good. It's look at that, bring the color back. Look, it's turning gold again.
Probably should have used a fucking wire brush.
That'd be fine. Right in the face.
Right in the face.
That was awesome.
What did you do today?
I did a tattoo actually.
Oh, nice.
First one.
First tattoo?
Yep.
How did you feel about it?
I'm actually very pleased with it.
Yeah. I guess
So
it's
Steve-
it's less important about how you feel about it. How did your tattooist feel about it?
My customer?
Your customer.
Steve was real happy with it actually.
Good.
Yeah, he was quite surprised. And I surprised myself. It was, I was real nervous at first, but it came out good.
Yeah. I was nervous for you too, brother.
I didn't fillet him, so we're good.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is definitely a learning experience. You do not want to put your bike up in the winter
Without oiling your chain.
without cleaning and oil your chain first.
Probably wouldn't hurt just to give the whole bike a bath before we store them, huh? I'm gonna grab the other tool. I'll be right back.
Okay.
You're telling secrets while I was gone?
Yeah. Your fan base is gonna love you even more now.
All 10 subscribers.
The secret life of a Viking. I've been telling secrets.
Perfect. So let's do. I think we'll do
Time lapse.
time lapse on the chain. Okay, cleaning's done. Now we're just gonna lube. We'll let it dry for a minute.
We
Use some brake clean too.
You don't want to apply any lubricants right after using brake clean because it breaks down your oil. So you want the brake clean to dry or be washed away before you add your oil, or you're just gonna break your oil down and you're not gonna have any oil on your stuff.
No lube.
No
Be
lube.
running or dry.
Running or dry, that's how you strip things off. One skin layer at a time.
All right, we'll come back in a minute. Okay, so chain's drying. We're getting ready to add some lube to it. David's poking a hole in the oil. Maybe.
Trying to without burning myself anyway. That's the key. Anyone can poke a hole in anything. Just doing it. There we go.
These KLRs are sweet.
I'm gonna put this in.
She does need a bath though, huh?
Yeah. Ready?
Oh yeah. Ooh. Some love taps. Get it in the hole, David.
All right. I'm trying to get it all over the place. I like it oiled up.
Usually it doesn't take two people to do this. It's just funner.
It is fun. Oh, I heard the noise change. You heard the noise change?
I didn't. I wasn't paying attention. It does sound better and it is spinning a lot easier. Getting some in that bearing, are you?
You're spinning it, might as well, right? Do this other side too.
Make sure to get the brake caliper
Yeah,
and the disc.
Yep, that's exactly what you want.
No, don't do that, folks. Don't ever put oil on
That's exactly what you want.
on your brakes.
And then put the metal to the pedal.
I've never tried it that way. The metal to the pedal?
Yeah. It's the heavier you are, man, the faster you go. Right?
I guess so. Should we start it and run it?
Everyone clear?
We're all queer. Now we're gonna put her in gear and let her spin. Oh, this sounds good. It's just hitting that guy. That's the noise you're hearing.
Yeah.
good. I don't think it needs tightened at all.
And look how long it's been with the clutch in. It's getting there a good spin with that clutch in. We ain't got nothing fighting or dragging.
Can't find neutral. I thought that was only a Harley problem.
There we go.
Yeah. Nice.
Nicely done.
So that's how you clean and oil a chain on a motorcycle, especially on an ADV or a dirt bike. Somewhere you always have it in mud and sand. And so I don't know if you learned anything, but we had a good time doing it. Y'all have another good day.
Come back and see us.
Later, interweb.